Hi everyone! Welcome back to Evangeline's Everyday English. I'm Evangeline, and I talk about everyday topics in simple and natural English. First, I want to remind you all about my YouTube channel. You can watch all the episodes and follow along with the English there. The link is in the description. In the last episode, I mentioned that my sister and her partner will be coming to Japan. Finally, their arrival is almost here. I am so excited to finally see them, and I can't wait to show them around Japan. We will meet in Tokyo and then take a domestic flight to Sapporo, the capital of Hokkaido. We will spend about a week in Hokkaido, enjoying the food, nature, and sights. But before all these fun activities, there is one very important step to take in preparation: packing. How do you feel about packing? I know many people dread it because it can be a source of stress. What should I bring? How many t-shirts is too many t-shirts? Should I bring just one pair of shoes or multiple? I think most people tend to be overpackers or underpackers, meaning they put either too much or too little into their suitcases. Myself, I tend to be an overpacker because I want to be prepared for any and all situations, and I never want to be uncomfortable. But then again, when I overpack, I'm always left with an uncomfortably heavy bag. It's really hard to strike a balance, to find a happy medium. Of course, my sister and her partner must pack well for the 2 weeks in Japan, but I must pack as well for the trip to Hokkaido. Additionally, since we plan on hiking at 2 national parks in Hokkaido, we also have to be well prepared for the trek and for outdoor conditions. So I will have to pack hiking boots, pants, and other items I normally wouldn't bring with me on a trip. I'm very excited, but I'm also feeling a bit overwhelmed. On the other hand, my sister is really good at packing. I think she does get overwhelmed by it, but she reacts to the stress by starting way in advance, like 2 or 3 weeks out. It's actually quite impressive. She will pack little by little every day until she is all prepared for travel. She is also an incredibly meticulous and organized person, so her items are always in order and folded very neatly. I am pretty much the opposite, in the sense that I am not as organized and I'm a little bit messier when it comes to ordering and packing my things. I'm trying to be better and to be more orderly, but it definitely doesn't come naturally to me. When I was a kid, I struggled a lot with organization. I was the kid with the really heavy backpack filled with papers, homework, books, and random things all out of order. My drawer of clothes was always overflowing and in disarray. Looking back, I don't think I got much help learning organizational skills from my family, but I finally started to work on myself and improve around 5th grade of elementary school. Nowadays, I think I'm decent at keeping things tidy, but as I said, it isn't my natural state of being. For this trip, I have written a packing list, and I also plan on chatting with my sister on the phone to double check what I'll bring. I'll also see if there are any redundant, repeated items between us. For example, if we realize that we're both packing toothpaste, we can choose just one person to bring it. I also have to remember that if I forget something, I can always borrow it from my sister or her partner, or I can just buy it. As long as I have the essentials, the most necessary items, it'll be okay. But wish me luck on packing. What are your thoughts on packing? Do you dread it or do you look forward to it? Are you an over or under packer? How far in advance do you start packing? And do you have any packing tips for me? Let me know in the comments or by email at evangelineseverydayenglish@gmail.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening to me today. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you found today's episode useful and interesting. Have a great day. Until next time.